Hello children. Today let us learn a diary entry from the lesson The True Height. This is a diary entry of Michael Stone. Once he had won the National Junior Olympics. Here is a pattern to be followed in order to make a diary entry. Kindly go through this pattern in order to make an effective diary entry. On to the question. Imagine yourself as Michael Stone. Write a diary entry after becoming an Olympic champion. The incident. The runway felt different this time. The intensity of the moment filled his mind with anxiety. He could feel a trickle of cold sweat running down his back. He began sprinting down the runway. When he took a deep breath, it happened. He began to fly. Michael Stone was flying just as in his childhood dream, the greatest accomplishment of his life. This is the question. Generally in the diary entry we won't get so many hints, but in this case they have given so many hints, so it is an asset for us. On to the diary entry. Firstly, you write the date and time to the right hand corner or to the left hand corner, whichever is of your comfort. Then, dear diary, greet the diary. Today is the happiest day in my life. So, firstly tell how the day was or what impact the incident had on you. Then go with narrating the incident. I could see my dream come true. I feel extremely happy to have fulfilled my father's dreams. I have won the National Junior Olympics and broken the world record. This is the event, this is the incident that happened that day. Now on to the personal feelings. Leaving aside the happiness of victory, this day is the most memorable day I could see in my dream become a reality. At the beginning of the day, I just had only one idea, that is to clear the pole. But as I reached the final jump, I got really tensed. Then I shook it away by taking deep breaths. Then I could feel the trickle of cold sweat running down my back. As I began sprinting down the runway, I could feel my recurring dream become a reality. The chunks of dirt pricking my feet, and then I started soaring like an eagle. The only difference is that today I was truly flying, unlike every time where I was just dreaming. I hope to get many more laurels for my parents and my country. True. This is written by Michael Stone. Hence, at the end of the diary entry, we write the name of the writer. Look, children, you can add even more 2 to 3 sentences and try to keep the page limit and do not go too long or too short. The emotion should be rightly expressed and it should not be boring or verbose. So try to limit it, and as of now we can add up 2 to 3 sentences like what are all his future plans and what he hopes to do or what he has in his plan to do in the next future or the next day or in the next event, that we can write in the last lines. Okay, and since it is a happy moment, we can even add up few sentences. I feel like jumping up high. I was on cloud 9. My joy knew no bounds. My parents were so happy. I'm very happy for them. These lines we can add up in the middle of the diary entry. Hope you all understood how to write a diary entry for a happy moment. Thank you children. Thank you for watching and have a joyful day.